Hello there, and welcome. Yesterday I read to you from the wonderful article from Gourmet Magazine by Helen Gustafson about sugar cookies. And I propose we take some inspiration from her wonderful article. She describes how she first became interested in learning how to make a food, and then also offers recipes. Now, I didn't read the recipe part, but I think it might be a good idea, because I've done it before and I know it was an interesting experience for me. It might be a good idea for everyone to try to write about a recipe. To write something that they hold dear, some food that they hold dear, write the recipe for it and share it with others. So that's your challenge in this assignment. Write a recipe. Now, it doesn't have to be an actual recipe for an actual food. It could be, of course, depending upon your imagination, a recipe for something else. A recipe for a good party, a recipe for a good first date, a recipe for a well-behaved child. Whatever recipe you would like to share. And I think you should probably take it from your own experience in childhood. That way, it will feel particularly important, even though if you suspect not many people are going to make the recipe. Just for a little insight, I've made the recipes that Helen Gustafson suggests in her articles, and some of them I've made quite a bit. Some have entered my sugar cookie repertoire. Like, I can do them easily, fast, and I do them a lot. So there it is. I want to encourage you to write at least one recipe and maybe the story of where it comes from. That's it for today. I hope you have a glorious rest of the day. And I hope you see me soon. You gorgeous people.